Are you listening to the macro babble day in and day out? The economy's doing this, the economy's doing that. We're in quad 1, quad 2, quad 4. Gold's going to run. No, the dollar's going to crash. We got deflation, inflation, the debt limit, yada, yada, yada. I'm Bagadon. This is StockMarketCaddy.com. It's Friday, May 5th at about 3:15. I want to just show you a couple of things. First, yesterday, in full view of a live YouTube audience, we ran a robotic strategy that did $3,360 with a profit factor of 1.98, running one NQ market. Today, that same strategy did, since midnight, $1,151.80. Swing machine. The VIX on a 5-minute, the VIX at 4:50 a.m. turned down. Our annual members that have this on their desktop would have got sent an email notice maybe or a text message, because you can program this to send you alerts. Would have been an indication that the market was going to do what? Run up. Did somebody have the jobs number? Somebody always has the number. They're always out in front. The ES on a 5-minute at 4:55. 4:55. 5 minutes later, goes long. One mini contract, you're up $3,100. A micro, $310. 10 minis, $31,000. The NQ on a 5-minute, it was at 910. 4,000, over 4,000. The YM, 455. You see how this works? $2,300 at least. The Russell, 4:35 a.m. over 1,800. Gold up modestly in the last few minutes at 100. And oil long at 925 last night, up nearly 2,600. I am Bagadon, and this is StockMarketCaddy.com. I am not a broker. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not going to baffle you with a bunch of macro babble BS. That's not what we do. We are mechanical, robotic traders. My wife and I, some 15 years ago or more now, we set out to trade the markets mechanically and robotically, building decision-making trading software. The information, the tools, the education, the support are available through StockMarketCaddy.com as a monthly member and or as an annual member. This weekend, as you're bouncing about from podcast to podcast, trying to find your way out of the woods, if you're listening to all that macro babble and it's getting it done for you, hallelujah, keep doing it. But if you're up one day, down the next, and all over the map, maybe, just maybe, you might want to check us out. 813-758-8263. Call any day, even on a weekend, from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. I'll gladly take your call and answer whatever questions you still might have after you visited the website. Thanks so much. Have a great weekend.